So, you have an Apple Watch Series 10 and you're wondering if you can install and use Facebook on it. Well, you're in the right place. Although there is no official app available for download on the App Store of your Apple Watch, there are some workarounds. In today's video, I'll show you how to get Facebook Messenger messages and how to reply to them on your Apple Watch. First, make sure that you've allowed Messenger notifications on your Apple Watch. To check, open the Watch app on your iPhone and go to the notification section. Now, scroll down to find the Messenger app and make sure that its toggle is turned on. Now, whenever your iPhone is logged, you will receive all Facebook or Messenger messages on your Apple Watch. You can mute the chat, like the message, or reply to it. You can either send a quick reply from the suggestions, or you can also tap on the reply button to manually type the message using the keyboard. You can also use glide to type or gesture to type and reply to use the dictation feature to type the message. And if you want to send emojis, you can do that too, as it has hundreds of emojis available. However, there are a few limitations. You won't receive Messenger voice or video call alerts on your Apple Watch. If you miss a call, only then you will get a missed call notification, and that too only when your iPhone is logged. Also, if someone sends you a voice message or media file, your Apple Watch will notify you, but you won't be able to open or view the content on the watch itself. So, that's about all that you can do with Facebook Messenger on your Apple Watch Series 10 without using any third-party apps. If you're okay with just the basic notifications and quick replies, it is still a pretty handy setup. If this video helped you out, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Wearholic for more Apple Watch tips, and drop a comment if you got any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.